Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Outright AEO Explained series. Today we're going to dive into the difference between ranking on old school Google and getting cited by AI. So as we all know, for the last 2 decades, about 25 years, the goal of the internet was really straightforward. It was to rank on page one. If you were in the top 3 results on Google, your brand is doing amazing, you're clicking the boxes for KPIs, you're getting your clicks. But now that we've all used ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini some, it's obvious that it's much, much different than Google. You aren't just getting a list of links anymore. You're reading a detailed paragraph that gives you the exact answer you're looking for directly. It's really no contest. And here's the million-dollar question that we get asked a ton. Does ranking number 1 on Google mean that you're also the brand AI will suggest? The answer, it might just surprise you. So today I'm going to break down the fundamental differences between Google rankings and AI citations, because I know it's kind of something everyone's wondering about right now. So let's start with Google. Old school SEO is essentially a popularity and authority contest. Google crawls your keywords and your backlinks and then decides which brand to choose. When you rank, Google is saying, based on this user's search, here is a list of websites we think are trustworthy and helpful. Have at it. Success is then measured in clicks. So if a user then clicks your link, you win. Simple. If they don't, though, you're just a ghost on page 2. The overall goal is driving traffic with old school SEO, traffic to your site, so you can then try to convert them on your own. Now, let's look at AI. These aren't search engines as we've all come to know them. They're not similar to Google. They're actually answer engines. So when an AI cites your brand, it isn't just listing you as one of many options. It's actually using your content to build out its answer. It's similar to the difference between if a librarian were to give you a list of 10 books to read. And then on the other hand, a consultant read all those books for you and then said, hey, according to what I've read, here is the specific expert and here's the specific answer. The goal then with AI is being the source of truth. Many times, a site that ranks number 10 on Google gets the AI citation because their data was more extractable, or maybe their answer was just more direct. So why doesn't ranking number 1 on Google guarantee a citation with AI? It sounds like it should. Well, it all boils down to how AI thinks. Google will reward comprehensive, long-form content that keeps people engaged and on the site. AI models, on the other hand, crave utility. They want accurate answers fast. They look for citation-ready data, specific stats, unique insights, structured tables, and clear question-answer logic. Recent studies are showing that for some AI models, the overlap with Google's top results is low, way low, sometimes as low as less than 10%. This means that you could be winning the old school SEO battle, but losing the AI discovery war all at the same time. If your content is buried in a 3,000 word puff piece, the AI will skip you for shorter, more direct content that just gives the straight answer. So, do you have to choose? Do you have to do old school SEO or today's AEO? No. Luckily, that's not the case. You can absolutely do both. First, keep your SEO foundations like authority, things like that, they still matter. But it's not worth overspending on backlinks anymore. Second, start making your content AI readable. Use schema markup, use clear headings that phrase questions the way a human would actually ask them. And most importantly, provide easily extractable answers, like with bulleted snippets or a clean chart that AI can easily grab, use to answer the user's query, and then credit your brand. Remember, Google wants to send people to you. AI wants to mention you directly. You still do want both. They're still both very valuable for sure. So what's next? As the backlinks economy becomes the citation economy, getting your products and services discovered by AI is the only thing that matters. Jump on over to outright.ai and check out the tips and tricks that we can teach you to get cited today.